Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to download and install new themes on your Windows 11 for free. So for this guys, just right click on your desktop empty space and here you can get the option personalize. Just click and open it, and here guys you can get this type of interface as you can see guys. And here guys just tap on themes and here you can get the option browse theme. Just click on it. Okay, it will open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11, and here guys you can get lots of theme option to download for your Windows 11 for free. As you can see guys, you can get lots of theme. If you want to download any of them, just click on that theme. After this guys, just click on get. So first it will download on your PC. After this guys, from your Windows 11 settings you can easily able to set the theme. So this is the very easy and very simple method to download lots of theme for your Windows 11 for free. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.